In an age where sustainability matters, garage hex lighting stands as an energy-efficient lighting solution. Many options utilize LED technology, which consumes less energy compared to traditional lighting sources. This not only reduces your carbon footprint but also lowers your energy bills, whether suspended from the ceiling in a honeycomb pattern or strategically placed on walls. Garage hex lighting transforms your garage into a visually appealing environment. It's no longer just a space for parking and storage, it becomes an extension of your home that reflects your style and attention to detail. Garages are versatile spaces that accommodate a range of activities, whether you're fixing a car engine, crafting a woodworking masterpiece, or working on a home improvement project. Garage hex lighting ensures that every corner of your workspace is well lit. No more squinting or straining, just clear, efficient, and focused illumination. Your garage is a reflection of your personality and interests, and garage hex lighting lets you showcase your individuality. These fixtures offer a canvas for creativity, allowing you to arrange them in unique patterns or configurations that resonate with your style. From symmetrical layouts to artistic arrangements, garage hex lighting lets you curate a workspace.